Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is parrot color, red color, purple color, sky blue color, green color, blue color, orange color, and the last one is yellow color. Now it's time to color a nail polish. How many nail polishes can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 nail polishes.